So I'm coming on with a new tutorial. I have no idea what I'm going to be doing, but I picked out the palette I'm going to use, and I'm just going to use the colors in it. So today I actually just did a review on this. I'm going to continue the review in a little bit after this tutorial, but this is a review on this foundation right here. This is the NYX Cosmetics Born to Glow foundation. I have this on. Then I have the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer in the color C3. The foundation is in the color Vanilla. Of course, I have my favorite translucent powder on. This is the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder. And then I did my brows with the BrowGal Convertible Brow in the 02. And then I have the e.l.f. Cosmetics Wow Brow on in neutral brown. Alright, so the brush set I'm going to be using today, I'm going to try to use just mostly these brushes just because I really want to use them and haven't used them yet. So I'm going to show them on camera because this is someone I'm very proud of for her makeup collaboration. This is the Doll10 by MakeupMolly little collab right here. So here are the brushes on the inside. Here's the bag it came in. The brushes just look so beautiful. So I want to try to only use these brushes. So we have them all right here. They're so beautiful. I'm just so ready, so I thought I'd showcase them off because I'm very proud of her for creating this collaboration. So the brushes already feel like absolutely amazing. They just feel so soft, so nice. So we're ready. So this one is, I don't know if they have names. Well, yeah, they actually have cool names. So this one is the Doll10 Transition Transformer brush right here. So it's kind of pointed, so we're going to be using this one. Alright, so the palette we're going to be using today is the Morphe by James Charles palette. This thing is huge. So here's the outside if you haven't seen it before, and then here is the inside right here. I'm going to be going into this very bright red color right here. It's like a bright red, kind of like, I don't even know if I've used this color before. I feel like I have. But I'm just going to be packing this into the crease kind of high up. I want it to be pretty high. Yeah, that's pretty red. That's so pretty actually. So we're just going in with it, packing it into the crease. Not really doing too much of a blend right now. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm just, going with the flow. So far, this brush feels so damn nice. Like, that feels so good on the eyes. I don't even know if I've ever had like a brush as soft as this one. I don't know if they're all like this, but this is so soft. Alright, so now I'm going to take this brush right here. This is the Shadow Shaper. I love the names, they're so cute. So it's kind of like the one I was using before, kind of pointed, but it's actually kind of flat as well. I'm going to be using it to blend the top crease out, actually above the crease. I don't even know what you call that, like your brow bone area. So that's what I'm going to use it for. Now I'm going to go into the color right here, which is this orange color. None of these have names, I don't think. So it's this orange color right here. I'm taking this color and I guess we're going for like a flaming look. I don't even know what we're doing, guys, but I'm taking it and just blending the top out. I want to make sure I build up this color and make it very vivid at the top as much as I can, but blend it as well. I mean, these brushes are very soft. Like, I can already see them. I'm going to use them a lot because they are so soft. So I'm just going to wipe this off of my hand a little bit because I already have a bunch of stains. And now I'm going to go into, just because it's not as bright as I wanted up there, I'm going to go into this yellow color and just see what happens. So here's the yellow color right here, and just do the same thing. Alright, now going back in that same brush and that same red color and just using it to pack on the shade just in the same areas we did before, so it's blended now and still shows its bright colors. And I'm going to start doing like a halo eye thing, so I'm going to start bringing it in and on the outer part the red. And now I'm just taking this brush right here. This is the Dimension Designer brush, and I'm just taking it clean just so I can make sure this is nice and smooth on the outer part. Alright, so I need a little bit more of a smaller brush, so now I'm going to go in with this brush right here. This is the Lexi 141 mini round brush. It's more pointed because I don't know what I'm doing, so yeah. So I think now I'm going to go into this color right here, which is like a purpley color. It's lighter, so I might need a darker one, but I'm going to go into that with the pointed brush and start putting it on the outer. Yeah, I need a darker color, so I'm going to go into this purple right here. And I'm going to pick up that purple and we're going to start placing it on the outer part, bringing it in, just making like a halo shape. Alright, so I'm just picking up on my finger right here this purpley color, and I'm going to start laying it on the lid. Don't really... Actually, that doesn't even look good. I'm pretty sure I tried to like make this color look good one time, and it did not look good. Yeah, that's not what I was expecting. I'm like going like very heavy in it. So I'm going to do that on the other eye just so it matches, and then we're going to go get like a different shade because, yeah. That kind of sucks. But actually, I just went and looked. I don't know what I want to use, so I'm actually going to keep packing the shade on, and then I'm going to lay something over top of it and see if it works. I don't know, but we're gonna keep packing this on because like it's pretty. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be used as like a on top of a shade kind of thing. So I don't think it's supposed to be like very pigmented. I'm pretty sure that's what was explained before with it. So I don't know, but I was hoping it was a pretty shimmer, so I'm disappointed. Yeah, we're gonna have to pause this video because I have my window getting fixed in my car. If you guys don't know, I can't drive anymore due to a medical reason, so I can't drive, and my window's broken in my car, so I'm gonna get it fixed and sell my car because I don't think I'm gonna be able to drive for a good while. Alright, so I got this product in my Jeffree Star mystery box yesterday, so we're going to be using it. I put it on my face, and I'm going to put it on my face today as well. Hoping it'll look good. Who knows, but I know that I tried it out yesterday and it was so beautiful. So this is the highlighter right here, Supreme Frost in Money Honey. So what I'm doing, I'm just going in with the finger, and I'm just going to lay it on the same spots and just see if it gives like a different effect. Yeah, it's already giving a different effect. Looks cool. I was liking the purple, but it just wasn't pigmented enough. So we're just going in with this all over the lid right there. Looks good as fuck already. Alright, so that looks great. I'm going to go ahead and just go with what's left over on the brush we were using and kind of blend in that darker purple shade with it, so there's no lines. Alright, just going in now with a pencil brush, and I'm going to be putting this on the inner corner and brow bone, just seeing how it looks. I mean, so far it looks good. Darker, like colors for some reason, in the inner corner don't look good on me. But, I mean, this one looks pretty good right now. So, I think it has like a really cool hue to it, so I kind of want to use it everywhere. I think it looks awesome. So, just popping it on the brow bone. I'm actually going to just take it all the way across the entire brow bone area. Smack it down. That's looking so good. Alright, taking that clean brush with a little bit of color on it and dusting away what fell out on the lid shade area right there. Alright, so now I'm going in with this NYX Cosmetics. I don't even know if they like being called NYX Cosmetics. NYX Professional Makeup, is that like different? Do they have like two different names? I don't know, but anyways, going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Eyeliner. And this is in the color Aqua Green, so it's kind of like a bluey green color. Don't know how it's going to turn out, but we're going to put it in the waterline. Now I'm taking this brush right here. This is Line Definer right here. It's flat. And I'm going to be going into this color right here, which is a shimmery blue, if I can get my hands on it right there. Going into that, and I'm going to start putting it very close to the waterline. Going with this flat brush right here. This is the Bodyography flat shader right here. It's kind of got like a fluff to it. So I'm going to be using it and going into this blue just because I didn't get the effect I wanted. So just going into that blue. And now I'm just going to kind of do the same thing, but just get a little bit darker and blend it. So before we finish up the eyes, I'm going to move on to the face. And this is right here is the e.l.f. Cosmetics 103 brush right here. I use this for blush. Now I'm going to go in with this tiny little Tarte blush in Paarty, I believe that's how you pronounce it. And I'm going to just put it on my cheeks. Alright, so now I'm going in with this brush right here. This is the Morphe R2 brush right here. It has a little bit of red on it, but ignore that. And I'm going to go into the bronzer. This is the Laura Geller Bronzer Beach Matte Baked Hydrating in Siesta Medium right here. Just going up and bronzing up the face. Now taking this e.l.f. Cosmetics Makeup Mist and Set Spray and spraying the face. Alright, so now for highlighter, we're going to go in with this brush right here. This is the Prepping Perfector brush, which actually looks like a very nice shaped brush. I think it'd be really good for right there. It'd be good for putting on just powder on certain areas, dusting off, highlight. I think I can use it for a lot of things. So anyways, I'm going to shut up. We're going to go into the highlighter we were just using all over the eyes. And we're going to take it and we're just going to start glowing, baby. I mean, look at that shit. That shit is so fucking good. I mean, like, holy shit. And this brush is so freaking soft. And we're just gonna put it everywhere because we want to glow, baby. Alright, so now I'm going with this NYX Glitter Primer Glue thing, and I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with the Skeddit Beauty Skull Glitter right here. And this is in the color Valencia, I think I'm saying that right. So it's kind of orangey, kind of like a bronzy color. A little bit more orange. So we're going to go in with this brush right here. This is the Sigma Eyeliner E05 brush. Very pointed. And I'm going to use this for putting on the glitter and the glue. So I don't know how this is even going to turn out. I don't know if I'm going to fuck up everything, but we're going to try it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace like the kind of like crease area with glue and put glitter there. You guys will see. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on some lashes. This is the Skeddit Beauty lashes right here. These are in the style Ecliptic. I love these lashes. And I'm actually just going to go ahead and put on a little bit of mascara first. This is the NYX Cosmetics On The Rise mascara, just to prep my lashes. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with lipstick. This is the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the color Celebrity Skin. Looks like this. So I'm just going to put this all over my lips. Okay, so this lip color right here, I haven't worn it before, but I got it in my Jeffree Star mystery box yesterday, and that is so beautiful. That is such a beautiful color. I think it might be a new favorite of mine. This is like the most perfect nude color. It's so pretty. So anyways, I suck at putting on lashes, so I don't really like how it's looking. I don't really know. I don't know how I like how this looks, but you guys let me know. Did you like this tutorial? Do you think it looks good? The end result? I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.